Tired of your Honda Ridgeline bed being exposed to rain, dust, or prying eyes? You're not alone. The right tonneau cover can completely change how you use your truck. In this video, I'm counting down the best tonneau covers for the Honda Ridgeline, so you can protect your gear, upgrade your truck style, and drive with confidence. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 on our countdown is the XTWEEX Hard Trifold Tonneau cover for the Honda Ridgeline from 2017 through 2026, and this one punches well above its price point. Built with a fiberglass reinforced polymer honeycomb panel, it delivers a strong, solid feel while supporting heavy loads up to 350 pounds and standing up confidently to rain, snow, and harsh conditions. The tool-free, no-drill installation makes setup quick and frustration-free, and once it's in place, the secure seal keeps your truck bed dry, clean, and protected from theft. Add in sound isolation, heat absorption, and a tight factory-style fit, and it's easy to see why so many owners praise its durability and value. It's a dependable, affordable upgrade for any Ridgeline owner. And coming up next, number 4 takes things a step further with added convenience and performance improvements. Coming in at number 4 on our list is the MaxMate Soft Trifold Tonneau cover, designed specifically for the 2017 through 2026 Honda Ridgeline, and it improves on number 5 by offering greater flexibility and lighter weight without sacrificing quality. This cover uses dual-coated 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl paired with aircraft-grade aluminum frames, giving you dependable protection from the elements while keeping operation simple and smooth. The no-drill installation is straightforward, all the hardware fits exactly as it should, and the overall look is clean and factory-like once installed. It's well built, fits properly, and delivers excellent value at a fraction of the price of dealer options, making it ideal for everyday use. Stay with us, because number 3 takes things further with a more premium feel and added security features. Landing at number 3 on our countdown is the RealTruck Soft Roll-Up Tonneau cover, designed for the 5-foot 4-inch bed on the Honda Ridgeline from 2017 to 2024, and it improves on number 4 by delivering quicker bed access and a more user-friendly roll-up operation. This cover is made in the USA with global materials and has earned its spot as the best-selling roll-up tonneau cover in North America. The no-drill installation takes less than 30 minutes, the clamps line up perfectly, and the finished fit looks clean and factory-installed. It's easy to use, durable, and fits the Ridgeline perfectly, making it a great option for daily drivers who want convenience without compromising style. Stay tuned, because number 2 brings even more durability and premium features to the table. Sliding into the number 2 spot on our countdown is the Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Tonneau cover, built for the 5-foot 4-inch bed on the Honda Ridgeline from 2017 through 2026, and it improves on number 3 by adding better security and a more solid feel without sacrificing ease of installation. This US patented cover uses durable dual-coated 24-ounce material, fits like a glove, and significantly reduces wind noise while keeping your cargo protected. The no-drill setup is fast, the cover folds neatly, locks securely, and stays firmly in place when opened or closed. With its clean look, lightweight design, and excellent price-to-value ratio, it's easy to see why so many Ridgeline owners are impressed. Up next is our top pick, number 1, and it stands above the rest with premium construction and standout performance. Finishing at number 1 is the North Mountain Soft Roll-Up Tonneau cover, designed for the 5-foot bed on the Honda Ridgeline from 2017 through 2025, and it stands above number 2 by combining easy operation, secure fit, and outstanding value into one well-rounded package. The roll-up design allows you to quickly open the entire bed and strap the cover neatly at the front, which is more convenient than a trifold when hauling larger items. It installs in about 30 minutes with a no-drill, clamp-on system, fits snugly, and stays completely quiet even at higher speeds. The latching system is reliable, the cross ribs provide strong support, and the cover stretches smoothly to keep rain out while maintaining a clean, polished look. With its solid construction, user-friendly design, and impressive quality for the price, this is the clear top pick for Honda Ridgeline owners looking for the best tonneau cover available.